Guys, I got something special for you today. Hang on just 1 second. Ta-da! All right, you don't know what it is yet, but let's open it up real quick and then you'll see. What's poppin' with Scoochie, guys? If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm not gonna talk too much, just like my last video, but today is really special because I got something new. I got a carbon fiber spoiler and it comes with 3M tape, so I don't have to do any drilling whatsoever. So let's just go ahead and get started with the video. So again, I'm not gonna talk too much, just gonna show you guys the installation. Let's go. All right, you guys, just put the finishing touches on the car. How do you guys like it so far? I think it looks amazing. And I have the blue tape on it just to seal it for a little while longer because I think it takes a couple of hours for it to fully seal the spoiler to the car. So we're just gonna let it sit there for a while and then I'm gonna do a quick walk around of the vehicle just to show you guys how it looks like. But yeah, I feel like I kind of have OCD, so I had to make sure it's perfect, had to make sure there's no dirt or dust on it, so I kept wiping it over and over again. And luckily I had my girlfriend Ashley help me with this project, otherwise I think I'd go crazy, especially with all the tape and everything, so shout out to Ashley. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the spoiler. I got it off eBay for about 120 bucks, so really can't complain there. Although there were some minor scuffs on the spoiler itself, and hang on, I'll show you guys real quick. Here's a minor scuff right there. You can see along the edges here how it's not necessarily perfect. But again, for 120 bucks, really not that bad. So I'll see you guys in a little bit for the walk around. Alright, what's up you guys? I hope you guys enjoyed that little walk around. It's a couple of days later, as you can tell by my short hair. I completely forgot to film an outro. But yeah, I'm really happy with the results of the carbon fiber spoiler, and there'll be a ton more stuff like that coming in the future. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the little bell so that you will be notified when the next video comes out. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.